Hello and welcome back, guys. So in this particular session what we'll be covering is question number 7. Okay, so what we've been given is that in a survey it was found that the ratio of people who liked arithmetic and algebra is 9:8 if 25% like both. So 24%, 25% like both, 80 like none, 20% like arithmetic only. Find the total number of people participated in the survey, right? So let's write the given first of all. So when we are writing the given, right, so what we must do is that, so 7 solution, right? So N A intersection B, I'm assuming algebra to be B, okay, 25%, and then ratio is equals to 9:8, and then and only A is equals to 20%, right? Find the total number of people who participated in the survey, right? So let's look at a Venn diagram first of all quickly. So A intersection B, this is 25, right? This is 20, this is 45, right? Very easy to find out. And then after that, we know NA is equals to, how much is it? N naught A plus NA intersection B, right? Which is basically 20 plus 25, right? 45, okay? So this is 45, right? So now, so it's 45, right? So total ratio is our 17, right? Is equals to 17, right? So 9/17 of x is equals to 45. So how much will be the total number, right? Total of this thing, right? Or x is equals to 45 into 9, 17 divided by 9, right? So this will give us 85, okay? And then, so now this is 85, we need to split it into 2/2, okay? So we need to provide it to A as well, because this is total number, right? So otherwise what you can do is basically split it in a way that 45, subtract this from this, you will get 0 and then 40, right? So this will be your 40, okay? So this is B, this is A, right? So out of this 40 as well, you will need to split it into 2, right? Because 25 is for the intersection, right? And then next 15 will be for your B, okay? So we will need to split it up. So if you want me to show it in this, what I'll do is NB is equals to NB will be 85 minus NA, okay? So it will be basically 85 minus 45 will give us 40, right? And then after that, now N naught B is equals to NB minus NA intersection B, right? So 40 minus 15 or 25 will be 15, right? So that's our N naught B only. So what's the value on the outside? So now how many of them did not like both? We had that number as well, right? So 80 like none of these, right? So that means N A union B bar 80, right? So in this particular thing, we are firstly finding out the other number. Okay, so I'll just write it over here. Now A union B dash would be, since we have already found out everything, so what we can do is n naught A plus n naught B plus n A intersection B. Alright, all this thing, suppose it's in bracket, and you subtract it from the whole number, right? So your thingy is 100% minus, you are subtracting, how much did we get for n naught A? It's over here as well, 20 plus 15 plus 25, right? So 100 minus 60, okay, that will give us 40, right? So now if 40% of x is equals to 80, right, since we know the figure is 80, right, then x is equals to 80 into 100 divided by 40 to 200. Therefore total number of students is 200. Okay, so this is how we basically compute this kind of question. Okay, just the ratio part is a bit confusing. Just remember that the ratio is for the total number of student. Okay, so what I did was, just as we did like 40% of x is this much, right? So what I did over here was 9 by 17 of x is 45, then how much is x in itself? That's what I found out. Okay, and then based on that I got 85, right? So that is for both of these, right, this and this. Okay, so after that what I did was I split it into two of them. Okay, so what I did was basically 45 is for A only, right, for arithmetic only, and then the other 40 is for the other thing. Okay, and then again you will have to split it. This will also be into two half, because see there will be an intersection thing as well, because 45 will be split into 20 and 25, right? And whereas in case of 40 it will be split between 25 and 15. Okay, so that's what I basically did. And after that I just figure out what's the percentage of a underscore a I mean who did not attend or who did not like both of the subjects, right? And then if that is 40% of, if that is 40%, and we know the total number 40% of total number is 80, then we can find out the x, right? So I got the x as 200. Okay, so this is how we solve this kind of problem. If you have any confusions regarding this sort of problem, please do comment down below. I'll be happy to answer it for you. Until next time, bye bye.